Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Taste Tempers Restaurant. Table for one person. Do you have any reservation?
Yes,
May I know your name, sir?
Mr. Anam.
Okay, sir. I will just take your reservation. Okay, sir. I already confirmed your reservation yesterday. This way, sir. Allow me, Mr. Anama. Excuse me, sir. Our waiter will be in you in a short time.
Sure.
Good morning, sir. I am Big Kenty. I will be your order give for this day. I will be present to you a menu. Excuse me, sir. I will be back into 5 minutes to take your order. Excuse me, sir. May I take your order now?
Okay. I would like to have a Cantonese egg.
How about your drink, sir?
Oh, I forgot. I would like also like an orange juice.
Okay, sir. How about your appetizer, sir? We have nachos, overall, and it's our best seller.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I will repeat your order. Canton with egg and orange juice. Is that all, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I would like to inform you that your food will be served in 15 minutes. Excuse me, sir. It's your food.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done? May I clear it now?
Yes, please.
Sir, may I ask you if how you like to settle your bill, cash or credit?
Credit card.
Sir, may I have your card and a valid ID?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Sir, please sign here. Sir, thank you for dining with us and hope to see you again.